What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Malev the Shinobi, and I'm here to tell you about the Decrepit Depths, a worldwide campaign that I am running over on the Relic Blade official Battle Friends group on Facebook. So if you're hearing this and you're not a part of the group, well, you may want to go on and search that in the search bar. Get yourself on in so you can jump on in the action. Things you're going to need are pretty straightforward. My peeps, you're going to need the rules. You're going to need the rules, and you're going to want your cards, and because you're going to need to know how to build your warband according to the rules of Relic Blade. And you can own the physical or you can own the digital versions. All of it's available on relicblade.com/shop. You can peep it. In addition to that, due to the times we are in, this whole thing is really taking place via Tabletop Simulator using the official Relic Blade Tabletop Simulator mod. So the things you're going to need: Relic Blade rules, Relic Blade cards, Tabletop Simulator, and some time, to get down. Not required, but highly suggested is that you join the Discord group. If you join the Discord group, we can invite you anywhere in the Facebook group. You can put your roster inside the campaign progress channel over here, and that way we can track everyone that's involved in the campaign. And once you do that, you will be given the role of either advocate or adversary, and that will allow you to organize battles in the looking for group channel quite easily. Whole bunch of other channels, and when you guys get down on games, you can hop into the voice channels over here and start talking to each other while you're doing some battles and stuff like that. So in order to get ready for action, what we need to do is fire up our Tabletop Simulator game, and I have that right here. Things that you're gonna need are, like I said, the mods. And once you download them, I'll show you what that looks like. Over here in your Steam page, you want to go to Workshop. And you want to type in Relic Blade over here. The most crucial thing is that you use the instructions when building your warband. That's really all that it requires. Once you get inside here, read through what I've written. This is pretty much just outlining the entire way that the campaign works. Build your warband, put it in the Discord, hop over into Steam, get yourself Tabletop Simulator, and go to the workshop, download the official mod, download the mod that I've created for week 1, because we'll be creating multiple mods for week 2, week 3, and blah blah blah. And based on who wins as they're contributing their victories, we will decide who takes the true victory in the scenario, and that will guide us to the next scenario and change the narrative and change what sort of things happen. So going back to Tabletop Simulator, you're going to want to go to the workshop here once you've downloaded it, load up the official Tabletop Simulator mod from Mr. Sean Sutter that he's labored to put together. He has a video on how this whole thing works, so I suggest that you take a look at that video. I will link that in the description below. But for the campaign, I just want to let y'all information on how to just get your warband physically ready for games. So once you load up this portion of the mod, you'll fly around, and after creating your warband on paper and whatnot, doing the nitty-gritty and math, you'll fly in here and look for those models. Look for all the models that you need and all the cards that you need, and take those individual digital components, if you will. Get up in the top, select components, go to tools, load yourself a bag. You can see right here, drag that over to your desired area. You will then grab all of the cards that you want for your warband and all of the figures that you want for your warband. Right click, save that object, name it whatever you want, and then when come time for combat, wombat, and you're getting your battles ready with people in the Discord group, you are both going to want to load up, or the host is going to want to load up the Relic Blade Decrepit Depths campaign map, the one that I've created. This will be what everyone's going to be playing their battles on. for the first week. And when you load in, you'll find the tablet that has the Decrepit depths information on there for you to reference easily. A couple of instructional note cards that tell you what's going down and what you guys need to do to start. I've put these cards into the game for the monster that you guys are going to be generating, and these instructions will help you for that. The crevasse from the Dark Dungeons environment is in effect, so I've got an example of the piece here, and plus some notes of how I think that you guys might be able to use it when playing on this specially devised map. So once you bring up in here and you're inviting your people to your game, you want to go to objects, saved objects, and load from your saved objects your warband that you're using for the campaign. And this one is mine, Malev's Deep Campaign Warband. Load that, clicketh over here. If I search, I can see all of the things right here, and this is my note card that has what the information that I need, and such as I have all novelist specialists, I have 1 influence and 0 gold, and which character has traits and stuff like that. In addition to that, if you check the file section on the Facebook group, you can use the form fillable PDF like some other peeps have used too, and that way you can track what's going down instead of just writing it on paper such as. So I've got all of my guys here ready for combat, got the cards ready to go. I've imported my own upgrade cards. I'll make another video on how to do that, and also some tips and tricks on just playing the game in Tabletop Simulator in general. But in terms of that, I think that really about covers it. Once you're in here with your warband, you're ready to play your campaign battle against your opponent and track who wins. And then once you guys know, let me know. Talk amongst yourselves about what sort of things might have happened. You get your post-game phase and all your rewards. And like I said, all that information is inside the instructions. And if you should find anything that you have a question about, just hit your boy Malev up. So much love and peace, y'all. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. And like I said, I'll be making another video soon. Peace.